Hello my friend, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am super excited to share with you some DIYs slash hacks that you can do using some old candle jars. If you have some laying around, then you are going to want to create these quick and easy and stunning DIYs. We're going to go ahead and take some items from Dollar Tree as well to help us create these decor pieces. So let's go ahead and jump in. Starting off, we are going to start with this really large candle jar. You can see how crystal clear and nice it is once you clean it. And I just love reusing these jars because they are super perfect to create some home decor and just use them for upcycling for whatever you want. And this one comes together in literally a couple minutes, so anyone can do this. I'm just taking some rub-on transfers that you can find at Dollar Tree. I thought these were super cute. This one says Farmhouse here, so I'm going to add Farmhouse, and then I'm going to take the word coffee and place it right below that Farmhouse. So it's going to be a Farmhouse Coffee Jar, and you can place your coffee grounds inside or coffee beans, whatever you have on hand. And I think it's super perfect to store your coffee and super cute as well to get rid of those ugly tins and stuff like that. If you don't like using those, you can place them in here and it can, fit in with your decor. So all you have to do is just scratch it on and then peel up the plastic. And the rub-on transfers do tend to stick really nice when it comes to glass, so you will not have any problems at all. As you can see, it's coming up really well. And then I did search up, is it food safe? The candle jars, it does say that as long as they are cleaned really well, that they are in fact food safe. So just to give you that information in case you were wondering. But this is all I did for this jar, and it is super pretty. And I do have the lid for this jar. Now you can see here I'm in my kitchen and I'm just adding that coffee right down inside using a funnel. And once it's all filled up, it looks really cute and I just love it. Super perfect, like I said, to fit into your decor if you have farmhouse decor, or you can just place the word coffee on top. And without the farmhouse, if you do not have farmhouse decor, and just store your coffee like that. But I really love it. You would have to let me know what you think. Next up, my friend, we're gonna go in and we're gonna try something a little bit different. I've never tried before. I want to try to tint one of my candle jars. So to do that, I saw you take some Mod Podge, a little splash of water, and some food coloring of your choice of the color. I'm going with green for today, and I am just putting in about 2 drops at first to start off, and then I'm gonna keep adding in as I go because the green was not to my liking. So I just go ahead and keep adjusting it until I am satisfied. As you can see, I am adding a little bit more because it's just a bit too light for me, and I don't want it to wear off once it's drying up. I want that color to really come through. So now we have to pour it inside of the glass, and we have to just mix it all the way around to make sure it touches every part of this jar. And keep in mind, like I said, this is my first time trying this technique to tint the jars, and I was a little bit worried on the color because the color of the food coloring is a bit like minty green, but once it dried up, once we place it in the oven, it ends up turning out really beautiful and I love it. So now we have to go ahead and let the rest drip out of the jar, let all of the excess fall out. I just use this bag for now, but if you have a wire rack, you can place it on there. And you can see I have my stove turned on to 200. It does say to place it to 215, but I put it to 200 because I just wanted to make sure that I don't mess anything up and we are safe. Now I'm going into my beautiful big old bag here to pick some stickers or rub-on transfers that I would like to use for when the candle jar is finished. Thank you so much to Croissant for partnering with me in this video. You can see I have all of the bags here, and they also include a nice amount of paper clips, which is super helpful and handy for whenever you want to organize papers in these bags. You can see just how big these bags are. You can literally fit anything. Like these packs of rub-on transfers could go in really nice and perfect, and you could fit a ton more than what I just put in there. And I do have to put some more in because I have too many of those. And you can see I have all of these rows of stickers that just fits in perfectly. These bags are super nice, my friends, and especially if you are a DIYer, you would love these bags. So go and check them out. You can see you get 24 pieces of all of their colors for $13.99, which to me is a steal for these awesome bags. Go ahead and check them out because I do recommend. The link to that will be in my description box below as always, so make sure you go ahead and check it out once you are done watching my video. But you can see now, back to the DIY, the color on this jar, the tint that it gave, I think it turned out super pretty, and it came out more darker than what it actually looked. And you can see at the bottom there, the glue didn't all the way get super smooth. I'm not sure if I did something wrong, but it's completely fine because the way I'm going to decorate this piece, you're not going to see that. But it still turned out super pretty. Now I want to add one of these sticker roses because I think that is super nice to place just one right in the front. I decided to go with the white rose, and this pack of stickers is really nice flowers, and the outline of the sticker is clear, which I love because you can't tell that it's a sticker. I did get them off of Amazon, I believe. And then I'm gonna go in with this sand that you can get from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna pour in just the right amount. I don't want to fill it up too much, but I don't want too little. I just want the right amount inside, so that way I can stick down some eucalyptus and it's going to look super pretty, and that sand is going to hold the eucalyptus down as well. Another thing that you can do for this DIY is you can place a little candle down inside, just as you saw me do there. That's another idea if you wanted to do that instead of adding greenery or flowers, because the candle would absolutely look beautiful once it's lit up, and it'll really make that color of the jar stand out. But for today, for this DIY, I'm going to go in with this eucalyptus stem, and I'm going to just place some all the way around right inside of that sand. And I did clip them off one by one so that I can make sure, I can place them where I want them to go. My friend, if you are enjoying today's DIY so far, it would be truly appreciated if you could send me a sticker. A sticker is just a small way you can show your appreciation and to give back if you like what you see here on the channel. You can find the way to give a sticker down below. It's right below the video. It says thanks with a little heart. Again, that's just a small way to give back, and it is truly appreciated, my friend. Next up, once I have the eucalyptus down in there, the last thing I do is I take some juice string so I can wrap it around the top of the jar. I thought that would finish it off really nicely. I don't finish it with a bow because I don't know about you, but I'm not a big fan of bows on all of my decor pieces whenever I add juice string, or I'm not even a big fan of bows in general, but I just tie it and I just leave it as it is. As you can see here, this is the final look, and look how gorgeous it turned out. I think the jar turned out super pretty with that tint of green. As you may know, my favorite color is green. Let me know what is your favorite color. I would love to know. But this jar came out super pretty and I love it. And you can always change out the eucalyptus for different florals throughout the seasons because they are super easy to take out, and I just love it. Let me know what you think. Last up for today, my friends, I have another one of those jars that is super nice and clean. By the way, if you would like to see a video on how to clean them really well and to get them looking nice and crystal clear, let me know. I will create another video with some more DIYs if you would like to see more. but this one is going to come together super quick and easy, just like all of them did. You can see I placed down another little glass down in the center. I did get that from Dollar Tree. That's just a regular candle holder, and I thought it would be super cute to place that in the center, and then take this sea glass rock pieces that you can get at Dollar Tree. They did have this out when they had out their nautical decor, so I thought they were super pretty and I picked them up. I thought that it would look really nice for this DIY, just to really showcase those sea glass, and I was completely right, because I ended up loving how it turned out. It's just a nice and simple way to just showcase the colors and make something so simple and basic be something, you know, into your own style, and just amp it up a little bit. So you can see I also placed down some greenery right inside of the center jar, and I did try to fit in those really large pieces because the pack came with two really large rocks, but it didn't quite fit, so I had to take it back out. So I took out that green one and I took out the blue one because it didn't quite fit. And then that was it for this DIY, my friend. A super simple way to just amp up that candle jar and showcase some of your favorite things. And keep in mind that you do not have to put the sea glass in here. You can put whatever you want here, but I really love the colors of the sea glass. I thought it was super pretty and I just love it. Look how gorgeous and simple it looks. Let me know what you think of this one. Also, my friend, let me know which one was your favorite from today, because I love to hear your feedback. And if you made it this far into the video, then you know it's time for our secret word. For today's video, it's going to be recycle. So comment that down below in the comment section and I will know that you made it this far into my video, which that means you are the bomb and you are awesome and you are truly appreciated, my friend. So thank you so much. If you've enjoyed today's DIY/hacks, there's only one thing left to do. Give it a big thumbs up, help your girl out to reach new viewers, and also do consider hitting that subscribe button so we can also continue to grow our family even more, and we can help each other get to 4,000 subscribers. That would mean everything to me. But you are truly appreciated, my friend, for your continuous support and your love and all your kind words on my videos. Thank you so much. I will see you all on the next one. Take care. God bless. Bye.